Hi people, it's on a black screen. Okay, I'm like, whoa, what's going on? My last video was soundless. Now it has sound, hopefully. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Because I tried turning it on I thought it was on last time, because I turned it on last night, because I tried doing a video, but yeah. So, where we left off is where we should do this. So, I'm going to get on to the building. So here we go. I have a clear voice now. Because last time we were not doing it. And then it wasn't working out. So, yeah. I can't believe I already have 11 subscribers and I just started 16 minutes ago. Thank you so much. Really, I can tell this is going to go off to a great start because of you guys. So I went on to Brody Scott, right? I looked it up. There's thousands of them. So it's a Brody Scott one video. And I'm like, I think that's me. And it was. Because it showed my one video that I made. And in that video you saw my face and everything. Really, I don't let people see my face on YouTube. People don't really let them see their face. But yeah, this time I found out that I could start off simply by, because it gives you 10 seconds, 10-second head start to get onto the game that you're gonna record on. So yeah, so I have voice on this. That's good. I tried to do it with my. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading like 10 videos today, just so you guys don't get bored. But that's a different story. That I just changed the story real fast. So, yeah, I'm gonna need my diamond roof. Okay, diamond roof. Dang it, I messed up on it a little bit. Yeah, see what I mean? Sometimes you mess up, you feel like you fail. Because I did this time. Yeah. If you voted diamond roof with stone in it, you were correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, that's fine. It's all going to be covered anyways. Oh, no, wait, no. There's going to be stone in those spots. Okay, never mind. Well, diamond roof, yes, with stone. 1, 2, 3, 4. More. Boom, 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 boom.
What you doing?
Filming.
I was playing.
That was Sophie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom.
There's
1, 2.
Kitty. There's the kitty.
1, 2. I think I kind of built lopsided. Yeah, see, 1, 2. Oh no, that's the problem. It's supposed to be right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, never mind. I'm almost done with the roof. See, I'm trying to build a good house, you know. Good first impression. Now, trying to put. I think cobble would look better, right? Yeah, cobblestone would look a lot better in the smooth.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna trade that out for cobblestone.
Every time I go over there, I forget it. It's sitting right there.
Boom.
Sit too.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, Nini. I'm making another video.
Are you?
Boom, ba-dum, dum. Na, 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 na. Ba, na, 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 ba, na, 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 Now just have to put in the roof, fill it in, and I'm thinking I'm gonna make this. Nah, I don't think I should. Or yeah, I think I should actually make this a 2-story house. So here we go. I'm already building the roof to my house that I started on last video. Wait, I gotta check something. Oh, we have 5 minutes. So far, and I have a time limit, so and we still have a long time now. Oh, boom, dark, break wall. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, that's gonna be a pain in the butt. So 3. Never mind. This is gonna be a 1-story house, people. Sorry. Making the windows. Hey, I think I should let an iron golem move in and then. Just kidding. Through my heart beats down. So, once I tried vlogging. I'm like, shouldn't I have a YouTube channel first? That's what I think, but because I did make a video, so I'm not gonna do a first vlog or anything. Or you know what? I am gonna do a first vlog, not today. Anyways, but there's my windows. I just gotta put in the glass. For that, I should take the glass. Boom, I passed it. Okay, boom. Okay, boom. Sometimes I hate that. Oh, God. It's nighttime, so I better build this glass fast so I can go to bed. Okay, here we go. Almost done. Just have those windows right there. Boom, boom, boom. All windows are the same length. Not the same, but the same length. So. Nini, you want to know why I'm making another video?
Why?
The last one didn't have sound on. Okay. So, here we go. Boom. My house. Oh, why did I break the bed? Okay, now all I need is to break that and put a step right here. Break step. And walk in. All I need is my door, and then we'll build up sooner. And my videos are it's gonna be ending soon, so I better hurry. I like dark oak because it's like fancy stuff. So there we are. Really? I just closed the door on this. But now I guess we should explore for a little bit. The last video you saw that I was telling you, kind of, sort of, I was saying that it was, that was dumb. So if it ends by 10, just kidding, not yet. It's not going to end yet. You can see I have 10 minutes and 10 seconds. So, yeah. Ooh, it looked like a staircase. Where is it, though? Like, right here. Yeah, that looks like a staircase. Really? Wrong hole. Oh, well. Spider staircase. Look at iron already. Dang, these caves are cool. I'm gonna name this world once we get back on it. Right now it's just called My World. Or New World. One of the two. Maybe call it Creative. That's it. Just Creative. And then I'm gonna have another world called, or there's another world I have called Cool World.